Welcome to the video. In this video, this is after the workshop at the library where I took my workshop bucket, and I sorted through the clay. So what I do after workshops is I take all the clay, and if it's opened at all, even if it's like these little squares or something, I take it, I take off the plastic wrapping, and I put it in my own stuff. And then after I'm done sorting and cleaning the bucket, throughout like the next couple weeks, I mix the similar colors together, and then that's how I get my own clay colors. And you're gonna see a big project that I'm working on where these new mixed clays and some old mixed clays, I'm making a bunch of stuff. I'm restocking a very popular earring from last year, so click subscribe to see when the earring's coming out and all of that. Click like if you like the style video. It's going to be a real time me sorting the clay, and then the next video will be me sorting the cutters. And this is the end of the video where I sorted all of the clay from the workshop. I showed you at the very before I started putting the unopened clay back in the box, I showed you my pile of clay that is to be mixed. In the next following videos, you will see me mixing all of that clay. So click subscribe to see all of that, and go ahead and leave a comment down below what you think the colors are gonna look like. Are they gonna be bright, very pastel-y, or are they gonna be more muted? You can take some guesses by what the clay looked like in the bucket. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!